So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. So now we have to solve the assignment Introduction to Internet of Things, week second, assignment second. So now the first question is the full form of MQTT is. So let's go to the answer. So the answer is introduction question first, message queue telemetry transport. So the answer is our B option, message query telemetry transport. Now let's go to the second question. Which of the following is not a method in MQTT? So let's check the second answer, second question. So MQTT methods. These are the methods: connect, disconnect, subscribe, unsubscribe, and publish. So the answer is for second question is D. All of these, because their break, stick, run are not method in MQTT. Now let's talk about the question 3. Which of the following is or components of MQTT? So let's check the answer of question 3. So the question 3 is MQTT components: publisher, subscriber, and brokers. So the answer is publisher, subscriber, brokers. So the answer is D, all of these. Now let's talk about question 4. State whether the following statement is true or false. These are the statements, and now check the answer of question 4. So the answer is, in general the algorithm consists of four main stages: setup, encryption, publish, and decryption. So the answer is our four question is B. Now let's talk about fifth question. So the OSI model has dash layers. So let's check the answer. So there is no answer. We have no that the answer is D, sixth and eighth layer. Now let's talk about the sixth question. The two sub layer of COAP. So let's check the answer. So the answer is COAP. Architecture is divided into two main sublayers: messaging and request response. So the answer of question 6 is D, none of these. Now let's talk about seventh question. What is the full form of AMQP in the context of IoT protocols? So the answer is question 7, advanced message queuing protocol. So the answer of seventh question is our D, none of these. Now the question 8 is XMPP use the dash architecture: publish, subscriber, client server, both A and B, neither A nor B. So let's check the eighth answer. So the eighth answer is XMPP uses a client server architecture. So the answer is B, client server. Now the question ninth is, how many message delivery guarantee modes are there in the AMQP protocol? So let's check the answer. So the answer is at most one, at least once, exactly once. So the answer of ninth question is B, 3. Now the 10th question is, which of the following is are not an AMQP frame type? So the answer of 10th question is AMQP frame types: open, connection open, and close, connection close. So the answer of 10th question is C, random. Now the question 11th, state whether the following statement is true or false. So there is the statement, so we have to say about true or false. So the answer of question 11 is feature of IEE 802.15.4. So this is the description. So the answer of question 11th is B, false. Now question 12. Which of the following is our exchange type in AMQP? So the answer of 12th question is AMQP exchange direct fan out topic header. So the answer of question 12 is A, direct. Now 13th question. State whether the following statement is true or false. Statement the IE dash and true or false. So the answer of 13th question is feature of IE 802.15.4 operates in the ISM band. So the answer of 13th question is A, true. Now the 14th question is the networking topologies supported in the IEE 802.15.4 are. So the answer of 14th question is networking topologies defined are star and mesh. So the answer of 14th question is B, star and mesh. Now 15th question, state whether the following statement is true or false. So these are the statement. Now we have to say about true or false. So let's discuss question 15. So loading routing, generation of router request RREQS by a loading router originator for discovering a router to a destination. So the answer of question 15th is B. Now submit the answer. So thank you guys for watching this video.